Thank you for joining us today. We are here at Silver Lake and we're going to go on a little snowshoe hike. A little, yeah. We'll see. There's lots of snow. I don't know if you can see in the background here. It's solid white. Mother Nature has been very busy the last few weeks in the Sierras, and she has been dumping tons and tons of snow. So between moving and a big project at work that has had me very preoccupied, and Mother Nature dumping snow every time I have a free minute to get up here for some snowshoeing, I have not had time to post any videos, but hopefully that will change. My friend Donna here has gotten me out today for a little R&R so we can get some snowshoeing in. We're going to put the drone up and maybe make a snowman. I don't know. I've not made a snowman in years. Snow angels. Yes, we'll make some snow angels for sure. So I hope you enjoy this. If you do, please make sure you hit that little subscribe. And if you want to see these videos immediately, hit that little bell. And thanks for joining us. Talk to you soon. Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.
Off we go.
Off we go.
All right, which way do you want to go up, Donna?
I think we should go up that way.
All right.
Because that looks like a little easier than this way.
All right, let's get the gloves on.
Got the gloves on.
Get the gloves on.
Heading down the trail.
My fingers are getting cold.
I was going to say, yeah. Well, once we get moving.
Yeah, at some point today.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, Marianne. Jeez. Righty then.
My feet.
Trail's quite different than the last time we were here. A little campsite. Hi. Hi. Oh, lots of campers out here. Thunder Mountain. It's such a pretty mountain.
Oh, you thinking about going up to Thunder Mountain? Come on.
Yeah,
now,
how about
let's do it.
how about it? You ready? All right, 7,200 feet.
In the snow.
So pretty.
Yeah,
How many times am I going to say that today?
a lot.
GoPros,
there with
stop recording. Yeah, well, let's see how solid the lake is. It should be solid. It was like -6 degrees up here yesterday, which is quite cold for the Sierras. I can sure tell I've been sitting on my butt for a couple months. And with elevation, yeah, I'm feeling it. So this is a good indicator of how much snow there is at Silver Lake, because that's a shed. Kind of buried. Yeah, the top of a shed. Go, Donna.
The snow is pretty crunchy.
Yeah. Okay, now let's see you get up.
Oh, that's not fair.
Oh, so that's how you make the wings.
That's how I'm gonna make it'll look like feathers.
Yeah.
Maybe.
All right, I'll stop recording so Donna can get up, and then I'll take a picture. Here is Donna's angel. Just beautiful. I have to give this little mini Cooper a push up here. They go too slow.
Yeah, that's right.
I don't want to mess with them here.
This is a spooky place. Oh my gosh. I haven't been on that one.
You always see snow falling on the road. So we have to do a quick review because we just stopped for the best lunch. Creamy purple potato soup. Oh my gosh, it was delicious.
Yes.
And we had French roll or French dip. Highly recommended. It's at Ham Station. I will post a picture somewhere in here.
Over there, yeah.
Over
Yeah,
here.
we're still
Somewhere
here,
over here.
there.
Great people. They recently purchased the place, and they are in the process of fixing it up. And so if you happen to be up on Highway 88 in Pioneer, please stop by. They've got some cabins, so if you're looking for a place to stay, stop by and visit them. They are really doing a great job with this place. So the food is delicious, and they were talking about some of the menu items they'll be adding, and I think I'm going to be paying attention to their menu. So I will also post a link to their Facebook page so you can check them out too. Thanks for watching. Bye.
All right. Good night. Good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye.